I'm Alex, a real estate investor who's seen the future of our industry. And let me tell you, it's AI amazing. 2 years ago, I was drowning in data, struggling to keep up with the market. That's when I discovered DeepSeek and ChatGPT. But which one was better? Fast forward to today, and I'm closing deals faster than ever. Want to know my secret? Let's rewind and break it down. First up, DeepSeek. This AI is like having a team of data scientists working 24/7. It analyzes market trends, predicts property values, and finds hidden gems in seconds. For example, I once used DeepSeek to analyze a decade of data for a specific zip code. It identified an emerging trend that led me to invest in an area just before it boomed. DeepSeek can also scrape MLS data to find off-market deals that match specific criteria. But what about the human touch? Enter ChatGPT. This conversational AI is my personal assistant, copywriter, and negotiation coach. It drafts compelling listings, automates follow-ups, and even helps with tenant communications. Once I used ChatGPT to craft a series of follow-up emails for a reluctant seller. The perfectly timed, persuasive messages led to a deal that others had given up on. ChatGPT also helps me create social media content to market properties effectively. So, which is better? Plot twist, it's not about choosing one. The real power comes from using both. DeepSeek finds the opportunities, ChatGPT helps you seize them. Here's a real-world example. DeepSeek identified a property with high appreciation potential. I then used ChatGPT to create a compelling offer letter that stood out among multiple bids. This combo has revolutionized my business, and it can do the same for you. Imagine having the analytical power of a hedge fund and the communication skills of a top salesperson. The future of real estate investing is here. Are you ready to embrace it? Like and subscribe for more AI insights. And remember, in this game, the right tools make all the difference. If you're already using AI in your real estate business, share your experience in the comments. Let's learn from each other and stay ahead in this AI-driven market. Until next time, this is Alex, signing off. Happy investing, and may your ROI be ever in your favor.